Problem ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ? Deepthi,
Sir.
please answer me. Deepthi, have you done that problem?
Yes, sir.
Deepthi,
Yes, sir.
have you done that problem? What I have given yesterday?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not getting. Spurti, have you done the problem? And one more request from you people, please enable your video so that it will feel like class. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೋಡೆಗಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Enable your video so that I can see your faces. Is it possible? Please enable your video. Deepthi, Pavitra, please enable your video so that I can feel like class. Please, all of you, enable your video. Request from my side. Syed, thank you so much. Manoj, Hema, please enable your video so that it will feel like a class. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೋಡೆಗಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Fazia, Yeshu, Mahalakshmi, Ganavi, please enable your audio, video. Okay. Now, thank you so much. I will start the class. I hope you have done that problem. Last class, what I have given, I hope all of you done. Please do it. Those who are not done so far, go through that video, what I am saying, right? Today we'll discuss, last class, we have discussed 5 minutes. And the last 5 minutes, we have discussed what? Counting and Venn diagram. Counting and Venn diagram. Counting and Venn diagram. So in this concept, we have discussed two formulas. The one is principle of addition. Or addition principle, principle of addition or addition principle. Second one is extended addition principle. So these are the two formulas we have discussed. Principle of addition formula is order of A union B equals order of A union B equals order of A plus order of B minus order of A intersection B. Isn't it? It is the formula for principal addition, right? Now, using this formula, we will discuss some other problems, right? Now, you take the first problem, right? Of what? Principle of addition. So, by using this concept, now we will solve some of the problems, right? Now, take the first problem. It is bit lengthier, right? I will dictate. Please note down the problem. First problem you take. It is a story-like formula. Problem. Take the first problem. Heading is what? Principle of addition. Main heading is what? Counting and Venn diagram. First problem. Note down the first problem. I will dictate. In a class of 50 college students. In a class of 50 college students. Don't see the board. Just take down the problem. In a class of 50 college students, 30 students studying C++, 30 students are studying C++ in a class of 50 college students. 30 students are studying C++. 25 students are studying Java. 25 students are studying Java, 10 students are studying both the language. 10 students are studying both the language.
Studying Java, sir.
I will repeat. In a class of 50 students, 30 students studying C++, 25 students studying Java, 10 students are studying both the languages. 10 students are studying both the languages. Ten students are studying both the languages. Now, question is, how many students are studying? How many students are studying? How many students are studying either one of the language? How many students are studying either one of the language? How many of you are studying either one of the language? Shall I repeat? Hope you have taken.
Yes, sir.
All of you taken? Or shall I repeat?
Sir, repeat ಮಾಡಿ sir.
In a class of 50 college students, 30 students are studying C++. 30 students are studying C++. 25 students are studying Java. 25 students are studying Java. 10 students are studying both the languages. 10 students are studying both the languages. 10 students are studying both the languages. How many students are studying? How many students are studying either one of the language? How many students are studying either? Underline madi. Either underline madi. How many students are studying either one of the language? Underline for either keyword. Okay. You have taken all of you? All of you taken? All of you taken?
Yes, sir.
Please answer me. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read the problem carefully. Read the problem carefully. Okay. Now, how many students are there in a class?
50.
Students are there in a class? 50.
50.
How many total number of students? Nothing but universal set. Universal set indicates total numbers. How much that is? 50. So take down. Universal set is 50. 50 students are there in a college. Total students. Okay. Now next. 30 students are studying what? C++. Order
Java.
of
C++.
C++. How much? 30. Order nothing but total count anta. Total number anta. Total number is how much? 30. 30 are studying what? C++. Now order of B indicates students are studying Java. How much? 25.
Java.
Right? Next.
25.
How many students are studying both? How many students are studying both?
10.
10, right? So A intersection is nothing but both. Next, what is your job? How many students are studying either one of the language? Either nothing but union. Right? Barkoli pakdali. Either keyword bandre union. A union B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Either keyword nothing but A union B. Correct? Next, at least andu saha A union B. Order of A union B calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Either or at least ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A union B ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right? Question ಓದಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. How many students are studying either one of the language? Either ಅಂದ್ರೆ A union B. Or keyword ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Or keyword ಬಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Union ಬರಬೇಕು. Right? Now, take down these datas, given datas. Okay. Have you taken the data? Have you taken the data?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, I will rub the things. Make it down.
Yes, sir.
Put a question mark. A union B calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. How many sets are there here? 2 sets, right? A and B. A indicates what? C++. Order of B indicates Java, right? Now 2 sets are there. Which formula we have to use? Addition principal formula. According to addition principal formula or principle of addition. According to addition principal formula. What is the formula? Order of A union B equals order of A plus order of B minus order of A intersection B. Don't use second formula because we have only 2 sets here. Whenever we have a 3 sets, on that case you use extended addition principal formula. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right? Now, ಏನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Order of A union B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A union B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Students are studying either one of the language. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Order of A union B equals. What is order of A? Order of A nothing but how many students are studying C++? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
30.
How many students are studying C++?
30.
30. Order of A value is 30 plus. Order of B indicates number of
25.
students studying Java. How much?
25.
25. Very good. 25 is what? Number of
Minus.
students studying Java. Order of B minus How many students are studying both the languages?
10.
ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕಲಿತಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
10.
10 ಅಲ್ಲ?
10.
So order of A intersection B value is 10.
10.
10. Order of A union B equals 30 plus 20. 55 minus
45.
next order of A union B equals 55 minus 10 is
45.
5. So this is the answer, right? Now you tell me how many students are studying either one of the language? How many students are studying either one of the language?
45.
Either ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Union. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, right? Either ಅಂದ್ರೆ union. A union B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Both ಅಂದ್ರೆ intersection. A intersection B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear? Hope you understood. Now put a one sentence here. Therefore, number of students studying either one of the language, underline either one of the language is how much? 45. Number of students studying either one of the language is 45. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Asma clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tejaswini? Manoj, is it clear? Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Anup?
Clear, sir.
Anup?
Sir.
Anup, ನೆನ್ನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir. ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ.
Very good. Lavanya understood? Lavanya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is it understood?
Sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು sir.
ಐದರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A union B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐದರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A intersection B. Deepak understood?
Sir.
Very good. Now shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Now put a star for this. This is for 5 to 6 months, right? And this question asked in the year 2014, 2013 BE paper, 2016 MCA paper. Put a star for this. Very high voltage problem for 5 to 6 marks. Okay. Now next problem. A computer company, shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Company, take down. Computer company requires 30 programmers. A computer company requires 30 programmers. A computer company requires 30 programmers to handle system programming. I will repeat. Computer company requires 30 programmers to handle system programming. That is, order of A is 30. Don't take this one. Noti. A computer company requires 30 programmers to handle system programming jobs. System programming jobs. And 40 programmers for application programming. And 40 programmers for application programming. And 40 programmers for application programming. Full stop. If the company appoints 55 programmers, to carry out these jobs, if the company appoints 55 programmers to carry out these jobs, if the company appoints 55 programmers to carry out these jobs, comma, how many of these performs, I will repeat, how many of these performs jobs of both the types? How many of these performs jobs of both the types? How many of these performs jobs of both the types? Question mark. Continue the question. How many handle only system programming? How many handle only system programming jobs? How many handle only system programming jobs? How many handle only system programming jobs? Question mark. Continue the question. How many handle only application programming? How many handle only application programming? That's it. Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat?
Sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Quickly, I will repeat. Go through it. A computer company requires 30 programmers. Computer company requires 30 programmers to handle system programming, and 40 programmers for application programming. If the company appoints 55 programmers, to carry out these jobs, how many of these perform job of both the type? How many of these performs jobs of both the type? Question mark. How many handles only system programming jobs? How many handle only system programming jobs? Question mark. How many handle only application programming? How many handle only application programming? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All of you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Deepak, Meghana, Pratiksha, taken?
Taken, sir.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Fine. Now go through the problem. I have only 10 minutes time. Again, I will log in. I will tell you to log in. Now go through it once. A company requires, right? The company requires 30 programmers to handle what? Which programming? System programming or application programming?
System programming.
Right? System programming. ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಜನ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಡೇಟಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ programmers who handle application programming is indicated by order B. How much? 40. B, application programming. A andreno system programming.
System programming.
Next, 55 programmers, they can perform either one of the language. Alva, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 55 programmers to carry out these jobs. Alva, 55 programmers can carry out either one of ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Either one, 55. 55 ಜನ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಹ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 55 ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಐದರ್ ಒನ್, ಕೆಲವರು ಎ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಐದರ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಾಬ್? ಯುವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್. How many of the programmers who can perform both the languages? Both the languages ಅಂದ್ರೆ intersection. Data ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ data. This is what? Either one. They can perform either one of the language. Either ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Union. Next. Perform both the languages. Perform both the languages. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? How many sets are there?
2 sets.
2 sets. Which formula I have to use? Addition principal formula or addition principal formula?
Addition.
Formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? You write the formula now. According to formula, shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ.
Yes, sir.
According to formula, write down the formula. Formula is order of A union B equals order of A plus order of B minus order of A into B. According to formula, right? In this expression, what I need? ನನಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಇದನ್ನಲ್ವಾ? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಎ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೈಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ತನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರೈಟ್. Now next step you observe, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಉಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್?
Yes, sir.
ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು
Yes, sir.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್? ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್?
30.
ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್?
30.
30. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್?
40.
40 minus
55.
performing either one?
55.
55. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ?
70 minus 55.
40 plus 30?
70.
minus 55. How?
50.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
15.
15.
15 is the answer, right? What is 15
Yes,
here?
sir.
15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Ain't.
Programmer can perform both the language, system programming as well as system programming.
Application
Perform ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ? So take down here the number of programmer performing number of programmer performing both the type. How much? 15. Number of programmer who performing both the type is 15. Okay. Now ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಕಡೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ. ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಂಗೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the problem once. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ, especially ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್.